Having a delicious hot cocoa? Looking for a vegan whipped cream? We like your style. Let's get started by grabbing our ISI whipper. Next, let's twist off the top and put in 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, followed by 1 cup of Oatly full-fat oat milk. At this moment, you have the option to add additional liqueurs or flavorings such as butterscotch, caramel, or even vanilla extract. This time, let's add a ½ ounce of Chartreuse. This'll go great with our Dutch hot chocolate. Screw the top on. Pop in 1 nitrous charger. And shake for 5 to 10 seconds. Turn upside down and gently pull the handle to release your vegan whipped cream. Add some optional dark chocolate shavings and you're ready to serve. And that's vegan Chartreuse whipped cream. Yum, yum, yum. Make everything as cold as possible for the best result. Keep in the refrigerator for storage. But don't forget to shake before each use.